In the early 1990s, a famous economist said something scary. He said, "Computers will replace factory workers first." People believed him, but fast forward to 2026, and something strange happened. Factory workers are still working, electricians are still busy, plumbers are fully booked, but the people quietly disappear. Office analysts, junior consultants, legal researchers, entry-level coders, content writers, the jobs that needed degrees, not hands. So here's the real 2026 question. Is AI coming for your job, or is it already too late to ask that? Let's understand this in a few points. Point 1. What people got wrong about automation. Every generation misunderstands automation. We always think machines will replace physical work first, but history shows the opposite. ATMs didn't remove bank tellers, they reduced branches and changed the job. Excel didn't kill accountants, it killed slow accountants. The internet didn't kill businesses, it killed businesses that didn't adapt. In 2025, the IMF released a warning. Nearly 40% of global jobs are exposed to AI disruption. Not destroyed, exposed. That word matters because exposure doesn't mean replacement. It means change, and change is where most people lose. Point 2. Who AI replaces first and why? AI is extremely powerful at one thing: predictable work. If your job is following fixed steps, repeating patterns, using rules instead of judgment, AI learns it fast. That's why AI now drafts financial models, writes legal summaries, creates ads, generates reports, reviews, resumes. In fact, by 2026, consulting firms openly admit one AI-powered analyst can now do the work of 5 junior employees. Not because AI is smarter, but because the work was structured. Point 3. Why AI struggles with real life. Now here's the twist. AI collapses when life becomes messy. Ask AI to comfort a nervous patient, fix a machine using sound and smell, negotiate with an angry customer, read a room, sense hesitation. It struggles because the real world is not repeatable. That's why. Mechanics diagnose problems by instinct, therapists adapt every conversation, teachers change explanations mid-sentence. Skilled workers improvise. These jobs use what we'll call the full spectrum of intelligence: physical intelligence, emotional intelligence, adaptive problem solving. When all three mix, AI slows down. Point 4. The big lie about safe jobs. People ask the wrong question. They ask, which jobs are safe from AI? That's the wrong game because no job is safe, but some people are. AI doesn't replace jobs, it replaces people who don't upgrade how they work. Here's the pattern we're already seeing in 2026. Companies don't replace teams with AI. They replace teams with smaller teams using AI. One marketing agency laid off 50% of staff, then rehired 4 people who knew how to use AI tools properly. Same output, lower cost, faster delivery. Point 5. The new digital divide. Years ago, the divide was internet access, then smartphones arrived, and everyone caught up. Now, a new divide is forming. On one side, people who let I think for them, people who copy-paste prompts, people who outsource creativity. On the other side, people who think first, then use I people who improve their work with AI, people who stay in control. Same tools, different outcomes. The question is, how smart people use AI with real example. Here's how professionals actually win. They don't say, AI, do my job. They say, AI, make my work better. They write first, then ask AI to improve clarity. Decide first, then ask AI to challenge assumptions. Create ideas first, then use AI to refine. AI becomes a mirror, not a replacement. That's the difference. So, don't worry. Just learn what 2026 really demands from you. So, what should you focus on? Not learning every AI tool. Instead, 1. Understand how AI is changing your industry too. Learn tools already used by top performers. 3. To speed up tasks that don't need your brain. 4. Spend more time on judgment, taste, and decisions because businesses don't pay for effort. They pay for faster, better, cheaper. If you help deliver that, you won't be replaced. So the real 2026 question ends with the truth. The 2026 question is not, will AI take my job? The real question is, will you fight AI or work with it? Because the people who fear AI will be replaced by people who don't. And the people who learn to use AI will quietly pull ahead without noise. This is Profiterax, explaining money, work, and the future simply. See you in the next one. If you want to know about any specific topic, comment below.